Now it's solution time.
Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about the execution of this program and how you got this output on the console. So for that, let me explain you step by step, and then you will understand the output reason. So here you can say that we have a class base here, and which contains a function print, and in the SOP we have the base. Then we have a class derived. Extend base means you can say x derived is a child class of the base class. Base is a parent and derived is a child class. Now and now we have a main class. In the main class we have a method do print, and in the do print method the parameter type is base reference. It is taking a reference type of base, and within it is calling the print method. Okay, now in the main method, first of all we are creating a reference of base. So here you can say x, the type of reference x is a base reference, and the object type is also base. So it means x is storing the base object. Okay, now y equal to new derived. It means the y, the type of reference y is base, but it is storing the object of derived class. Okay, so reference is y, but it is pointing to the object of derived, means y is storing the object type of drive at runtime. Okay, now third we have a z reference. The type of reference of z is this time derived, means reference type z is a reference type and its type is derived, and the object it is holding or referring is derived. So now let me move to the line number 24. In this you are calling the method do print. Okay, and you are passing the x. So now just what will happen, the type of x, okay, reference x is reference, but it is storing the object of base. It means first of all what x is at runtime will present the base object. So first of all it will go to the print function here, and within the print function this o will represent the currently base object. So here you will see that o dot print means o is a base object, and it will call the print function of the base object. And what is that? That is this one. Okay, that is this one. So that's why the first time you will able to see that it is printing base. Now when the control will go to the line number 25, here again you are calling the do print function, but you are passing the reference y. The type of reference is y, but actually which object it is referring, it is referring derived. It means y is presenting the object of derived. Okay, so what will happen, it will go to this function, it will go to this function, but here o is representing the derived object. So this will call derived object dot print, means it will go to this class print function. That's why it will print derived. Now when the control will come to the line number 26, again it is calling the do print, but this time z is referring to a the type of reference is derived, right? And it is pointing to the object of derived. Okay, so now how the control will, now it means it will also call this to print method. How? Why? Just understand that z is the type of z is derived, which is actually a child of base. So it means whenever you call it, it will also call the same method. It is a base parent, so whenever you are calling a method with a child reference, then also it will call the same method. So control will go here, but what is the object it is pointing? Derived. So now this code will be work as derived object. O will present the derived object and then print. It means again it will call the derived class print method. That's why you are getting the third derived. I hope you understand the reason why it is printing this output. If you have any doubt, you can put me in the comment of this video. Thank you.